I summon the elements of the earth. Arise, towering trees of the forest. Churn and curl, waves of the mighty sea. Swirl and gust, O mighty winds of the sky. Each of these tribes will be led by a just and powerful champion, one who will defend them from the forces of evil. Geos, Lord of the Earth and its incredible power. Tazaral, Lord of the Forest and its wisdom. Polypus, Lord of the Sea and its bounty. Noctis, Lord of the Sky and its freedom. Champions of Gorm, protect your peoples. Above all else, protect the balance of nature.